business case number 1, buying target A, which is an actual deal I'm having right now in my roller. And we discussed the opportunity, the hurdles, which are seller finance and
this is Hungary number 1. Hungary, right?
this one.
Okay. Number 1.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
And what did you ascertain? What conclusion did you come to?
So mainly 2 questions. First one is that seller has a tax issue. Because for 55, the tax reduction once in a lifetime, and
Why? What do you mean once in a lifetime?
Germany there's a tax law. If you're 55 years old, you can sell your business once in a lifetime, and you save about 25% of taxes. And so if you have
This is capital gain tax.
yes,
Okay.
exactly. And if you have seller which are younger, then we have this wait. We want to build them a bridge. The question is, just pay them off until.
Can you pay them off the 25% they're going to lose by not waiting until they're 55?
Yeah.
Why not just go to another seller? Fuck them. I mean, they're not a motivated seller. Fuck it. I wouldn't even talk to them.
Okay. You wouldn't increase the price.
No. Fuck them. Next.
Just the price based.
No. I mean, guys, I'm telling you how to do the fucking deals. Why do you fight? You either want to do deals or you don't.
Okay. Just give them the price and go.
I mean, no, fuck you. We had nothing to talk about. Did you know how old they were when you started? Yeah, they weren't 55, right? Why didn't you talk to them?
Okay.
So waste of time. Okay, what's the next one?
Keep it easy. That's a simple solution. Okay.
We'll build a big wall over there.
Well, what's the second one?
Same. Yours.
You have 2 deals.
More or less.
The next one was just my current business, and
But we walk through this.
we just work through the.
And we take.
Did it take you longer than 30 seconds? No, seriously. Don't you see it? What are we missing here? Why don't you see it as clearly as I do?
Well, we're thinking.
No, because you're not that smart. Guys, you're not that smart at this table. You're not. You got half my IQ. Half.
We have no experience.
No!
Right.
You have no balls! That's what it is. You got no fucking balls. You're afraid of making a mistake. It took 20 seconds? And this dude's no different than the group I just came from, or the group, they're all the same. Well, I was thinking about the movie, and I was thinking about my granddaughter, and say that again? This is about in the first group, 4 or 5 minutes into the cut. Say that again. I want to make sure I didn't misunderstand you. Next. If I hadn't been thinking about my granddaughter for a split second, and that took me about a minute or 2 minutes, so I think about you, honey, little bit. Why would you even do that?
What happens if nobody accepts?
Well then, you still do another industry.
Other industry or another round?
If everybody's waiting to be 55, well, first of all, anybody less than 55 is very rarely going to be motivated to sell. By definition. Well, why would they want to sell? By definition. It's like the funnel that I told you about not Adam, what's the Dutch guy's name? Frank. You all look alike to me anyway. Except he's 7 feet tall, so you don't look alike exactly. But Frank, I mean, as soon as he figured it out, after making 300 calls, unfortunately it took him 300, it should have taken about 3 calls. After 300 calls, he went back and looked at his notes. Instead of looking at his notes before he made the 300 calls, and he said, well, fuck, I mean, none of these guys are motivated. Duh. And so he realized that the really motivated ones are willing, to talk about. And now his email that he goes out he says self-financing. I mean, now he's really ballsy. He's done 3 deals now. Now it's just self-financing. Call me. Owner financing. Call me. And guess what? He gets calls. Yeah. You don't have to increase the price. Plus, it'll be harder to do when you go back to the bank. You go to the bank, and then, well, why are you paying more than the company the business is worth? Oh, because he's going to lose money because he's selling before he's 55. So the bank's going to look at you, what are you, fucking brain dead? Nobody cares about that. Nobody cares about that. Well, what about your crack dream team?
Good.
No, well, how are they so good? I mean, they fuck finger, what are they, stupid?
I don't ask them so many questions.
Well, I mean, if you're not, what are they there for? What are they there for?
Rich.
Huh? No. They're supposed to be there for you not to have to take 25 years to build up generational wealth. That's what they're there for.
Their mindset is.
Well, then you got the wrong dream team. When we get back to huh? No, I mean, you don't have to send them here. You got if they don't think like that.
They're coming from the huge companies and they.
Well, they're fine. I mean, we got a lot of people from huge companies. I was on a Zoom call board meeting, I don't know, 2-3 days ago, and with one exception, they're all Americans. Procter & Gamble, GE, all these big companies. And so they're going through the shareholders agreement because we're buying something. Now it's time to have a board meeting. Okay? I'm not saying anything. I'm watching CNN, CNBC, the script. I'm listening, then I said, wait, stop. I said, go back and read that paragraph again. And I said, does this mean this, this, and this? And he says, no. And I said, well, that's not the deal. And then the other board members pipe up. No, Mr. Pena's right, it's not the deal. But they were just going to let it slide right under, because they got no balls. They got no balls. I said, Joe, you're right, that's not the deal. So we got to because they're so hungry because they're getting something for free. And nobody's ever given them anything for free in their whole miserable life. Even this lollipop and the candy their parents gave them as kids had something associated with it. I give you the candy, you do what I say. I give you the candy, you act like you love me. Your parents never gave you fucking anything for free.